Old. Yeah, you can. You have to be sitting at the front, at the like higa ka dyan. See what I mean? Juliana, if this one are available, nobody's gonna. Okay, let me hold. Juliana, let me hold the. Let me see, Juliana. Okay. Stop, stop, stop. Don't do that. Come on. Juliana. Okay, Jade. Okay. I'll hold it. Higa ka dyan. Well, okay, yeah, that's better. You should have bring your book in with you. No, it's not. It's not. You're not gonna fall in. That's what it was made for. What? It's cold. Put your feet up. You can put your feet up in there in the. Put your feet up there. Don't go down. Hello, Luis. No, we need the towel. Did you bring your towel? Okay, good. Jilana, don't go there without mommy. You want me to hold it? I know, Luis. Okay, I'll hold it. Your cold lunch. Here you go. I'll hold it. Okay, put your towel with you. Put the towel. You have to hang up on the trampoline, not on the floor. That's not even your towel. Why don't you get your own towel? That's Jade and Julene. Go get, you came in without a towel. And your glasses need to be like not there because she's jumping. Give me. Then put it here. It's far from where people are jumping. To the. No, wait for that one. Then now you can sit down there without getting wet. Yeah, just go get a new towel. Can you go upstairs? Okay, get adding a new towel. You got beaten already at your back. See? Oh, that one. Oh, oh. Okay, you can use this one. Go get a towel and change your dress to dry so that when you use that one, you're not wet. And get adding a short. Okay, she's coming back. Get adding a short. Okay. Get a towel.